So this is the ShutterShack, and this is one of our installations that we've just done today. It's basically hardwood shutters on a floating track with a shaped end. Okay, so I'll give you a bit of a demonstration on how it works. So obviously the floating track, you've probably seen these working before. You just grab like so, pull to the side, and there we go. And then the next one, we just slide it along here like this, and then once it gets there, fold to the side. And then take the last one, move it down here like this, and then we just fold it to the side like so. This is hardwood. It glides beautifully along the track. It's a really nice option. As you've seen before probably from us, you can move these all the way down the other end. When you're operating them, to slide them along, you need to make sure that they're in the flat position, and then just slide them back like so. Once you've got them to where you want, you can then open the louvers. I always suggest people to try and go from the middle of the louver as possible, like so. There we go. And then we can do this, and then slide that back along like so. And then the same with this one. And as demonstrated once before on one of our videos, you can also fold them this way. So we just fold it like so, push it along, and again we do this, pull it along, and note, just to reiterate, that it is in the flat position when we push it along. As we said before, if you try and push it along when it's folded or pinched, it doesn't move as smoothly, and you get this swing going on the bottom here, and it can, if you're not careful, pop out. So we always advise, and the manufacturer always advises, that we push it along like this. Okay, so that's it, all stacked at the other end, or as previously seen, all stacked at this end. Okay, so I'm going to push it back now, and then I'm going to show you the shape. This is in a bedroom, and it's a shaped window, so obviously it was a particular challenge for the customer to try and find something suitable to work around the shape, but obviously he came to the ShutterShack, which is the right place to come, and he got a solution. So here we've got the shape bit on the end, and all we do is we open it like that, and that can fold right back on top of there. So you can get inside there if you need to, clean the window, do whatever, hoover behind, and then you can close it again like so. And again, from the middle, just twist the louvers, and then we end up with this beautiful, what I think is a beautiful installation. You can keep the bottom ones closed like this if you wish, so you've got privacy while you're in the bedroom. Obviously tilting them upwards like this gives you more privacy, or you can completely close them. So brilliant solution for a bedroom. If you want a floating track as beautiful as this, then don't forget to call the ShutterShack. Thank you.